In this clip, I'll show how to buy shares of Southern County step by step. Southern Co. is a large U.S. electric utility trading on NASDAQ under the ticker SO, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the flow. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SO to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the Southern County listing on NASDAQ to find the correct stock. Open the Southern County Asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker on that page to ensure it is the correct stock. Select the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may wait until market hours, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.